Trivia time! Did you know that like all birds, owls do not have teeth? So how would they chew their food like mice? Well, they can even digest rocks in their gizzard. The gizzard is right under the stomach of the bird. First, the owl eats something, then the food goes to the gizzard. Actually, all the species of birds have gizzards because they do not have teeth. And when the owl eats something, all the fur, bones, and teeth go into the gizzard, and feathers also into the gizzard. While all the things that they can eat, like the flesh, they just And all the things that are the fur, rocks, the bones, all that stuff, it goes straight out of the mouth. Becoming an owl pellet is just a little ball squeezed with a lot of clues of what the owl ate inside. Like the fur is a clue, whatever the owl ate. It could have been eating a shrike or a rodent, a mole, anything really. Bye.